The Earth is always moving and changing. Some changes are very slow and quiet, but some changes happen suddenly and can be very dangerous for people. A natural hazard is a powerful natural event that comes from Earth's systems. It can affect people, homes, and cities, and sometimes cause serious damage. A natural hazard becomes a disaster when people and cities are affected. The same event can be small or large, depending on where it happens. Today, many people live in big cities. Some cities are near oceans or fault lines. This makes natural hazards more dangerous because more people are at risk. There are different types of hazards. Some come from the ground below us, some come from the oceans and water, and some come from the air above us. The surface of the Earth is not one piece. It is made of large plates called tectonic plates. These plates move slowly over time, but they carry a lot of energy. When these plates move or push each other, energy builds up inside the Earth. When this energy is suddenly released, it creates strong natural events. Earthquakes happen when plates move suddenly. The ground begins to shake strongly. This shaking can damage buildings and make the land unsafe. The earthquake starts deep underground. This point is called the focus. The place on the surface above it is called the epicenter. Earthquakes can happen in many places, but they are common near plate boundaries. A very active region is called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Deep inside the Earth, there is hot rock. This hot liquid rock is called magma. Sometimes it moves up to the surface through cracks in the Earth. When pressure becomes too strong, the volcano erupts suddenly. It releases lava, ash, and gas into the air and surrounding land. Volcanic ash can travel long distances and block sunlight for some time, but volcanic soil becomes very rich and is good for farming. Tsunamis are very large ocean waves. They are caused by sudden water movement, usually after underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. In deep ocean, waves are small and fast, but near the coast they grow very high. They can hit land suddenly and cause serious flooding. Hurricanes form over warm ocean water. They are very powerful storm systems. They bring strong winds and heavy rain, and can last for many days. Hurricanes can cause floods and damage. Wildfires happen in hot and dry areas. Wind makes fires spread very fast, and they destroy large natural areas. We cannot stop natural hazards, but we can learn about them. Science helps us understand risks and protect people in cities. Which natural hazard is caused by moving tectonic plates? A. Hurricane. B. Earthquake. C. Wildfire. D. Flood.